Well, it looks like I can't hold still. Wonder why. Camp Chase. We love Camp Chase. On their way back west. Probably came from Watkins. Well, I'm sure they came from Watkins. Then they use this Western. There's quite a few two-legged people around here today. I might not stay. Way down there with, that's all I got. Way down there's red over green. So he'll come around those woods and join the tracks down there. Do you want to stay? Want me to wait? It's called the Camp Chase Railway. And they come down here every day, don't they? There he is. Come on back to zoom. That's all I got. So that signal I was talking about's to his right now. And he'll kind of get a little more than veer off to the right and head west. So that can't be a very good video if he's that far away. Nimble checkers. Well, under the headlight, you wouldn't be able to see him at all, would you? We'll check our signals again. Maybe something will come through since he went through.